I know. This took so long for us to get up and running. Tonight's we're gonna draw a very good sir from Yokai Watch 2. I never really got the chance to draw this guy. I don't know what attentions this guy had in the past. But much like other guys, this guy is also a yokai butler. And well, also this guy is a complete perfectionist. To him, everything is a big deal. Even if you get a yokai medal improperly inserted, and no sleeping while wearing a device, and to floss every night. And to be honest, there's nothing wrong with flossing every night. Of course, you do have the floss every night. It's part of your oral hygiene. Now we draw his arm. Much like all the others, he can fold people's beds. He knows everything about yokai. Well, he's not the only one. For No Way, Spemp, and Balmanos, in order their attacks are No Way Through, Bank Breaker, and Endless Apology. And to be honest, they never really showed any of the. And in Yokai Watch, they never really showed any of their attacks. I mean, I do have his Yokai medal. I do have verygoodsir's medal. And, well, if you want to see his medal, you can check out the episode where I show off the medallion. And finished. That's how you draw verygoodsir. And, of course, I do have his medal. 1 minute, folks. Alright, I didn't exactly get the chance to find it, but I'll give you some other news instead. Well, back in 2009, a lawsuit for Ni Hao Kai Lan was caused by the voice of Dora the Explorer. And, well, that wasn't very nice. I mean, there's still a bunch more about Chinese culture that I would have known. I mean, Ni Hao Kai Lan was one of my favorite shows, and, well, the creators of Dora the Explorer, I mean, the voice of it, decided to shut it down. Forget you, Dora the Explorer. Anyway, that's how you draw very good, sir. Be sure to like your walk and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stay good, see you later. And, well, I hope that Ni Hao Kai Lan comes back on the air. I really want it to be known as a series revival. I really missed that show. Very good, sir. Will you write me a letter? Right away, sir.